Today I am reviewing the Logitech G923 racing wheel and pedals. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. I have spent a significant amount of time behind the wheel of the Logitech G923 racing wheel and pedals, and after countless hours across various simulators and arcade racers, I can confidently say that this is much more than just a minor refresh of a classic design. While it might look familiar to those who have seen Logitech's previous offerings, the experience of actually driving with it is fundamentally different due to the inclusion of their TRUEFORCE high-definition force feedback system. This technology is the standout feature that transforms the device from a standard peripheral into a truly immersive racing tool. The first thing you notice when you start a race in a supported title is how much more information is being transmitted through the wheel rim. Standard force feedback usually tells you when the car is sliding or hitting a curb, but TRUEFORCE goes much deeper by connecting directly to the game engine's internal physics. You can actually feel the vibration of the engine idling through the leather-wrapped grip, and the sensation of the tires struggling for grip on different surfaces is remarkably nuanced. It processes information at 4,000 times per second, which means the feedback is instantaneous and lacks that mechanical, notched feeling that sometimes plagues gear-driven wheels. It makes the act of driving feel more organic, and less like you are just moving a joystick. The build quality of the wheel itself remains top tier for its price bracket. The hand-stitched black leather cover feels premium and comfortable even during intense, sweaty sessions, and the polished metal paddle shifters have a very satisfying, tactile click that reinforces the feeling of being in a real cockpit. On the face of the wheel, having a built-in LED RPM indicator is a massive advantage, especially when you're driving cars with high-revving engines where timing your shifts perfectly is the difference between a podium finish and falling behind. The 24-point selector dial is another highlight, allowing you to adjust things like brake bias or traction control on the fly without having to pause the game or navigate through cumbersome menus. Moving down to the pedals, Logitech has made a very important upgrade to the brake system. The new progressive spring feels much more realistic than previous versions. It is easy to press at the beginning of the stroke and gets progressively stiffer as you push harder, which allows for much better muscle memory when trying to modulate your braking into a tight corner. This prevents that frustrating lockup that happens when a brake pedal feels too linear or mushy. Additionally, the programmable dual-clutch launch control is a brilliant addition for competitive racing. Being able to simulate a real race car launch assist right from the wheel gives you a distinct advantage at the start of a race, allowing you to get off the line with maximum traction and minimal wheel spin. The software integration through Logitech G Hub is seamless, giving you total control over the wheel's sensitivity and the strength of the force feedback. I particularly liked how I could create different profiles for different games, so my settings for a hardcore simulator like Assetto Corsa didn't interfere with a more relaxed experience in Forza Horizon. It is also worth noting that this unit is built with sustainability in mind, using 53% post-consumer recycled plastic, which is a nice touch for a modern piece of high-end hardware. Compatibility is excellent across Xbox Series X, Series S, Xbox One, and PC. While TRUEFORCE is most impressive in titles specifically designed to support it, the wheel still performs admirably in older games as well. In summary, the Logitech G923 is a fantastic investment for anyone looking to take their racing games seriously. It bridges the gap between entry-level gear and expensive direct drive setups by offering a level of sensory detail that is simply unmatched in this category. The combination of the refined pedal feel, the premium materials, and the high-definition feedback makes every lap feel like a genuine event. If you want to truly feel the road and the car's engine beneath your fingertips, this is the wheel to get.